Brothers, recently on the US and Iran side, news suddenly came out about a ceasefire. The market rhythm was immediately disrupted. On the chart, you can clearly see that funds are switching back and forth, sometimes pouring into the military-industrial sector, sometimes buying the energy sector, and sometimes switching to the tech stock sector. This has caused the investment rhythm of the market to be completely unstable. Many ordinary investors have already started to panic, and even started to randomly stop loss and cut positions. The more disordered and volatile the stage, the real opportunities are actually in a few core assets. For example, Nvidia, which we have recommended multiple times. Okay, if this week you can't keep up with the rhythm and your account has already shown losses, then you must watch this video to the end. Today I will share my views on Nvidia with everyone again.
When we recommended Nvidia last week, the price was still near 170. Now the price has risen to near 182. That is to say, if you watched our operations in the last two videos and followed us to buy Nvidia, you should be able to make 5% to 10% profit. Okay, everyone is definitely very familiar with Nvidia already. It is the global leading semiconductor company, mainly making GPU, AI accelerators and data center chips. You can understand it as the core supplier of the entire AI computing power system. It is Nvidia. AI training and inference data centers basically cannot avoid using this company's chips. This company's earnings report performance is not just growing, but has accelerated expansion. Once the US-Iran war pauses, it will directly drive this company's stock higher. At the same time, this company is also the most resistant to decline during the war. Got it? No matter how chaotic the market rhythm is, you only need to hold on to Nvidia this stock. Your positions will not suffer large losses, and if you followed us to buy, you can still make money. Actually, in the semiconductor industry, its price now is not very expensive, and it still has upside room, because AI growth cannot end within 1 or 2 years. Then, because it will directly benefit. At the same time, we can look at the institutional options orders. Nvidia's important support is mainly concentrated near $170. Actually, I mentioned it before. A large number of institutions will buy long positions at this level. Our AI quantitative indicator has reminded us to buy long positions in Nvidia near $170, $180. If you followed us to buy, you are making money now as well. The strong support level is this position between $165, $170 because we monitored the options order data. The market's dense chip area is at this position. Also pay attention to the short-term downtrend line of Nvidia. You can clearly discover that our indicator reminded us there is a short-term downtrend. The high points at this position, the high points moving lower, forming a short-term downtrend line. This downtrend line that was suppressing the short-term trend was broken yesterday. This proves that its stock is relatively strong. Buying near $170 was completely correct.